What's up, I'm Hype. I play games, make games everywhere, and today we're going to be doing some walkthroughs to help you learn how to make games on your phone faster. There's thousands of games on this app, all created by people like you and me, from simple matching games to shooters, Pokemon type games. Oh yeah. And if you find a game you like, be sure to heart it to save it, or double tap to add it to your library. Your library tab is down here, and if you're looking for your hearts tab, it's over here. Every game can be used as a template to learn how to make new games. You just tap this button and the remix, and then you can make whatever type of game you want. Let's make that lava looking good. If you're new, best place to start is down here with the tutorials. We got basic tutorials, some more advanced tutorials, game logic tutorials. The more of these tutorials you complete, slowly learning how to become a better game designer. Today we are checking out, looks like character and animation. This time you'll learn how to add animations to characters. Now there are dozens and dozens of different kind of animations, from walking zombies to dogs, canine, tricks, flying birds, you name it, it's probably in the asset library. So let's take a look. Here's Ping, he already has some moves. Tap him. Have a look at Ping's advanced details. This is the character animation node. This is where all the cool stuff happens in terms of animation. Character animation nodes are used for characters, NPCs, stuff like that. So let's open it up, and we can see right here it's set to stand idle. The animation is enabled and set to loop, which means it plays automatically all the time. And that's this icon right here. It says loop. Open the list of animations. Choose a new animation from the list. So we got hit, jump, run, walk. Let's go with run, and we can see the dude running. Looking good. Want to try another, select Ping and change the animation. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's do walk, but we can change the speed, make it so he walks 0.5. And let's take a look. So now this is past the speed of walking. The clothes have been glued to Ping, so they move with him. Do a tutorial about character creation to learn about the glue. Let's add an animal character to the scene. Let's go to asset. Let's go ahead and add a weasel. Move the animal to a good spot. Okay, let's go ahead, move them over here in the background, maybe like half in the snow. That. Okay, I think that's a good spot. Also, the animal has some basic moves. This is Quirky Idle, got Quirky Jump. Speed controls how fast the animation plays. Try a different value, for example 0.5. Okay, let's do 0.42. Yeah, that looks great. Animals and humans have their own animation. You can give a human animations to an animal or vice versa, but the results are weird. You'll find more animations in these assets. Some of the dance animations. My favorite is Hip Hop 2. There we go, Dance Hip Hop 2. A new character appears when you add an animation. Let's hide the character, tap it first. Open to visual properties, tap visible to hide the character. Select Ping to make him dance. Oh yeah, let's go. New animations are always added to the bottom of the list. Scroll to the bottom and select the dance animation. Look at that. Now, technically, it should be a little bit faster. Need to try again, select Ping and go back to the animation list. In the next tutorial, you'll learn how to change the animations with logic. Oh, that's cool. You'll also learn how to make characters move around in the scene. Oh, very nice. Okay, that's all for now. Happy hype making. Okay, so we're going to turn this up to 0.75. And Ping's got some great dance moves. So if you like this walkthrough, hit that like, subscribe. If you have any comments, let me know. Getting better at making games is a step-by-step process. So until next time, stay safe out there. I'm Hype, and peace.